There you go.
Hello, my name is Mahmoud Abdi. My student number is M00547231, and I'm just going to be explaining how my pipe climbing device would have worked. So as we can see, this is the actual base for the pipe climbing device. What we have is we have 3 pillars holding it up, and this is where our wheels would have been on. So if you just take a quick look onto the CAD of it, so as you can see, this top plate here, these are 2 plates actually stuck together. That's that top plate and that top plate, and this is where we would have connected our 3 wheels, which would have expanded using these. These would have been able to move up and down, and we would have had a spring connecting from there, which is this, as you can see, and this part of the holder for the wheels, and that would have extracted the wheels and also brought them up. One of the biggest difficulties that we faced was we actually made these out of acrylic, all our wheels and all our parts, where we should have, I believe, 3D printed this whole layer. It would have been a lot easier and it would have been a lot more solid. But what the problems that we were facing is we had these parts snapping. So the basic concept of how it would have worked is, once you put the device in to the pipe, what would have happened was these 3 wheels would expand and open up into the tube, so there wouldn't be it would stop a lot of the friction. And what would happen was we would have this as our driver wheel, which we would have placed in here, and that would be the wheel that would be controlling whether it goes up and down. We would have connected a motor to it, and connected also our Arduino and H-bridge on this base, or the base above it. Mainly because we messed up on this base, we was unable to go ahead with the rest of the project. If we had to redo some parts, I would say probably either think of the design, or next time we would have just made this out of 3D, but due to the time that we had, we was unable to make it out of 3D. These were the wheels that we ended up using. So as you can see, it's just an acrylic piece that we had to put rubber around it, and it wasn't working just as well as we wanted it to. Also, the holes in the middle weren't able to fit onto these parts because I believe we rushed it. But apart from that, basic concept was we would have controlled it using the Arduino and the motor control board, and yeah.